Okay, language explorers, let's have a look at today's Tuesday verb. So let's look at achieve. To achieve something, to get a status. Status, an award, or aware, or unaware, recognized by other people. To get a status or an award. Award. There we are. Let's change that. Award. Award recognized by other people. So I achieved first place. Yes. We want to achieve that too. I want to achieve that level of success. I want to achieve, to have something, to be something, to get a status. So I achieved the prize. We want to achieve the prize too. But maybe next year. Yeah. She achieves another level. Yeah, she works so hard. She works so hard that she has achieved another trophy, a recognition, award, achievement. Yes, achieve an achievement, to get something, an achievement. Here we are. Yes. So that means then that say I achieve, you achieve, they achieve, he achieves, he wants to achieve, he will achieve, he achieves, she achieves, he wants to achieve, she is going to achieve, she achieves, she is going to achieve, she achieves the award. My award. She's going to achieve my award. She achieves my award. How cool is that? They will achieve the same level as me soon. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So I achieved this last time. I achieved this trophy last time. I achieved it just now. I achieved it just now. Yeah. I got to that stage just now, earlier. You are achieving a lot these days, yeah. I'm working to achieve a lot of things later on. We're achieving a lot of things together, yeah. I'm achieving to record. I'm achieving to record my goal of lessons, or of amount of lessons every day. Every day I've got a certain goal I want to hit, and I'm achieving that goal every day. Yes, I have things that I need to achieve every day. I have things that I need to achieve every day, or daily. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, so on and so forth. Yeah, and I'm achieving my goals. Yeah, how cool is that? How cool is that? So, when will you achieve the trophy? When are you going to achieve first prize or first place? Or maybe next year I will achieve. Maybe next year I'll achieve it. Maybe, possible, depends. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Depends on stuff. Yeah. So, achieve, to get a status, or or to be recognized by people, to achieve a goal, to achieve something, to achieve and to have, a goal. Yeah. So, language explorers, can you use achieve in a sentence? Can you write that sentence in the lesson below? And comment that lesson, sentence below, and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian, and you can find me on Udemy too. Just search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.